I'm going to fly with Ryanair, so I'm going to show you how I buy plane seats, because not every seat has a window. I am a freak, so normally I know what kind of plane I'm going to fly with and where I'm going to have a direct light or even a sunrise. Firstly, let's focus on what route the plane will follow. We are copying this number. I believe it's tracking number or maybe a flight number, I don't know, but we are copying this to your Google search. What plane is it? Then we are going to FlightAware.com and it's going to show you exactly the route you're going to follow with your plane. So you can already see if you want to sit on the right side, on the left side, exactly what you will see from your window. On the right side on that side, you will see aircraft information, but don't look at it. It normally doesn't tell you the truth. But let's go back to the route and firstly, what we are going to see from the window. I like this website. It's called SunCalc.org. Here you can write the place you are going to fly from, and the day and the time and everything. It's going to show you exactly the sunrise, sunset and direct light. So for example, I know that I will be at 12 o'clock around here and I know that I will see the left side of the plane. So I want to see it right there. And on the right side probably, as you can see, I will not see much. So now when we know already that we want to sit on the left side, we are going back to Ryanair. I don't want to sit on the back because obviously I will be stuck with the Ryanair logo and the front costs much more, but I will have the freedom to see everything that I want to see if I want to record something nice. So I'm going to show you another trick, how to know exactly what kind of plane you are going to fly with and which seats have direct windows. I found this website, Aerolopa.com. You can find exactly the company you are going to fly with. In my case, it's Ryanair. And I can see that around Europe is Airbus A320. And here it shows you exactly the position of windows and its seats. It saves you time. So I'm going to actually check my seat that I've been thinking about. As I told you before, I was thinking about this one, 7, and you see it has like 2 windows, but this one, the 8, probably is even better. 8A, and it's cheaper. Look at that, it's cheaper. And it has a direct window for me, so I was right, there's a window. This seat has 2 windows.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, dearly welcome aboard on this Ryanair flight to Aerolopa for destination Vienna.
For the way back, I chose, oh my god, it's even more expensive. But well, 6F. And here it shows me that also it has a window, probably even 2. So for me it works perfectly because I want to sit on the right side and see the whole Europe, mountains and everything. I'm going to 6. Oh, window. I guess I was right.